everyone, it's Angela with To Restore You. Welcome back. It's such a beautiful spring day. I thought I would finally do my flip through with the leftover scraps from, if you haven't watched it, our Close to My Heart Daisy Meadows Workshop Kit, and show you just a little bit of what I did with all those unused pieces of paper. And so what I decided was I had started this cute little bunny book, which I thought would be perfect for Easter. And so I had initially got some signature pages and did something really simple. I wanted it to be a lot of room for people to write in it, but I couldn't help myself, so let's get started and I'll show you what we got. So I left the cover and the back cover for those vintage lovers of vintage so that they could refer to that. And in this book, some little nugget had written some things in there. So I used one of the library cards to cover up a little bit of that. We left a little bit. 1 times 3 equals 4. So not sure how that little one did in math, but so these are all stickers that came from that paper pack. This was actually from another book. This is Little Maxine, and this is something that I had from one of the magazines. I think I did a flip through and pulled out bunches and bunches of different theme things from a few magazines I had, and so this is one of those. And then of course we have one of my library pockets. I'm sorry, book page pockets with some goodies in there. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure I put a link to that in there as well. This is a little fragile. So got to be kind of careful. I'm writing that down so I don't forget to add that book pages. I'm getting smarter in my video making skills. So I've started to, when I'm recording, if I mention someone or something, I write it down because then I don't have to go back and watch the entire video again. But here again, we have, this was from a magazine. This was a card that might be stuck in there, but that's okay. We'll just leave it, the little guy, alone, because I probably got anxious and impatient and decided just to cover it. But this page and then one other journal card I have, I used, I'll show you what I used to make that. But then this was just, I made a whole bunch, you'll see these throughout, a whole bunch of these little baubles. I call them bauble bundles, but out of the scraps, and made this little pocket for it. I just love the colors. I found a leftover, I was trying to pare down some of my stickers and such, and so I used that. This, I don't think that I've done a video on this, but I need to do a quick one. This is actually, and you can kind of see it poking through there when I did a little bit of edging, but this is just a paper clip under there, and I just stuck it right on there. I made a whole bunch of those as well, and I used these little dots from that Daisy Meadows kit, so that was kind of fun. Let's see, what else do we have? Oops, you're getting out here. Let's see. Let's move our pretty flowers. This was a really fun one. So here is the, let's see if that goes in there. But I had a, oh my gosh, what is the deal here? There we go. I just got stuck on there. I had some vintage Easter cards in my stash, and so I just made a quick little journal card in there and made this the pocket behind. And then I had just a few of these cards that happened to be exactly 8 inches by 8 inches, and I had an entire, oh, we're going to see if this worked. I forgot I did this. It did. Wow. I used little Velcro clips, and I wasn't sure how sturdy those were, but it fit perfectly here. So I just put that entire thing out, kind of cut around where it was supposed to be, put another pretty color there. So there's a pocket here. I thought about adding another pocket here, but I kind of ran out of time. So another bauble. This is, I just stuck this in because again, I was trying to reduce my sticker sheets, and that was from that pack as well. There's a little Maxine and Arthur. And then I also I found these, I think I mentioned these in one of my hauls, my thrift store hauls, but there's probably like 50 of these little coasters. They're all the same. And they make great little booklets, but I just thought, I decorated that one and thought, well, I might as well just throw it in. So I just did a two-sided little cute little add-on. Got some of my paper. This was from an old book, but I liked the colors. I did kind of go in between pastels and brights because of the all of the pages from these little Maxine pages, but I just think they're so cute. Here's another bauble. That one I think was from a different pack. More watercolor paper, and that's just some of the stuff, like I save them when I'm doing my watercolors because I think they make really cute little additions to your journals. So this is just a little fold out that came from that paper pack. I even had some extra little bow ties, so I put those in Arthur and Maxine's hair. And some tea-dyed paper. More of the botanicals from my book. Another cute little paper clip. This is from another bunny book. I don't know. This little bunny even has a name, but it was just cute. And then here I added another one of these baubles. And then I think I showed you one of my Amazon hauls. I had purchased a bunch of these layaway envelopes. And so these are from some of those cutouts from magazines. There's a couple more little tuck or pockets. Oh my goodness. Journal cards, sorry, in the pockets. Another little crossword. I just left that one blank. At the very last minute, I added these for randomness. I didn't even really think about it. I just stuck them in there. But there's another cute little bow on Maxine. And then another just normal page. And then this one I spent a little more time on. This was the same envelope that I showed you in the back. And then I just added actually 3 pockets. So there's this one. And then there's this one. I just put another little journaling card in there, and then the one that's the actual envelope. So there's lots of them there, and then I added some fun ribbon that I had. But that is pretty much it. But I don't even know how many pages are here, but a lot. And in addition to, let's see, how many 12 by 12 pages did I do? 6 pages, I believe I did, using that Close to My Heart Daisy Meadows Kit, and then I was able to use this, and I actually still have more leftover scraps, but they have officially gone to my scrap bin, so they won't be coming out anytime soon. Oh, I know. This little card is what I covered. These I got in a pack, but I love using these when you have real thin paper, not cardstock paper, and it just kind of bulks it up a bit and gives it some oomph. So that was the other thing that I used, but let's see, if you have not already done so, don't forget that we have a VIP group on Facebook. If you are on Facebook, and you can find that at To Restore You VIP group. We are also on Instagram. I finally did an Instagram account separate from all of our other ones. So To Restore You is out there. I don't have a lot on it yet, but I will continue to be adding fun things, and that is at To Restore You. And then of course, if you are into our creative movement and you're wanting to know more about not just the creative side of journaling, but the mindfulness and positivity aspects that you can incorporate into your actual journaling when you're writing, whether you're doing bullet journals or junk journals or travel journals, then I highly suggest that you hop on over to Restore You. It's the number 2, restore, the letter U, .mykajabi.com, and check out our mindful journaling workshop. And it is full of fun, I am telling you. And of course, if you would like to spend some time doing more tutorials, you can subscribe below and share and comment, because we are just getting started in our YouTube journey and we love to hear from you. So with that, I am going to say thanks for joining me and have a fantastic day. Until next time, as you know, take some time to just be. Cheers.